Hi guys, this is a little hack if you have a forced air furnace. You can use dryer sheets to do double duty. They can help to filter the air that's coming from the furnace and give a nice little air freshener to your house. Now, normal sheets usually are long enough so you only have to put in one, and you might have to fiddle with it a bit. But these ones are from the Dollar Tree, so I'm doing this with one hand. Let's see if that'll slip in there. If you have a grate like this, it'll close or the levers stay open so these won't fall down. And there are some that I have that are downstairs. They're a different design, and so I have to do something to keep the dryer sheets from falling down the hole. And you can see here the vent is closed. I keep it closed unless I'm in here. And it just blends in, and it helps to trap dust and fur and stuff like that.